Yeah, hi students. Today we'll be learning on arithmetic progressions. Okay, so what is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. It is nothing but a list of numbers. You can see here I have written an example, right? 1, 3, 5, 7. What are these? These are numbers. Okay, it is a list of numbers. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term, whatever you can see the numbers over here, no, this is known as term. Okay, in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Here you can see this is the number 1. Okay, it is the first term. To get the next term 3, we are adding something here, right? We are adding a number here. That is nothing but, for 1 if we add 2, it will be like 3. Okay, then from 3 to 5 we are adding, then plus 2. Then to get 5 to 7, then we are adding plus 2. Here you can see that we are adding a fixed number to the each term except this first term. Okay, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. It is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. To the preceding term. Preceding term is nothing but the number which comes before it. We are adding one fixed number to the number which comes before this. Okay, this is known as arithmetic progression. Got it, right? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Okay, so now we will go to the general form. Here this is the general format of arithmetic progression: a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on. Okay, here a is nothing but it is the first term. In this series you can check a is 1. Okay, d is the common difference. What is the common difference here? It is plus 2. So if we see this general format in this form, you can see like a is 1. Okay, 1 plus, what is our difference here? 2. 1 plus 2 is nothing but second term will be 3. Then 1 plus 2 into, what is the difference? 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. The third term is 5. So to get this series like arithmetic progression, we have some general format. Okay, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, up to so on. Okay, you got about the arithmetic progression definition and an example that what is the first term and what is the difference between the numbers in this progression series. Okay, so we will see some of the examples for arithmetic progression here. Here you can see like 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, here what is the first term? A. Here a is 6. A is 6. First term is 6. And what is the common difference? How will we find the difference? We will take the second number and minus it with first number. Like 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, same way, like we will take 12 and minus it by the preceding number, like the number which comes before it. 12 minus 9. What is 12 minus 9? 3. Okay, the difference between all the numbers is the same, like 3. So this is an arithmetic progression. Here the first term is a equal to 6 and difference here is 3. Okay, one more example here. Like here you can see 6 is the first term, a equal to 6, and to get the difference, what we will do? We will minus the second number with first number. Okay, d equal to 3 minus 6. What is 3 minus 6? Minus 3. Okay, and then 0 minus 3. What will be the value of 0 minus 3? It is also minus 3. So there is a common difference between these numbers in this series. Okay, it is minus 3. So it is an arithmetic progression. If the numbers are having a common difference between them, then it is said to be an arithmetic progression. Here you can see one more example. Here I have written like 2 comma 2 comma 2. Here what is the first term? A equal to 2. And what is the difference? 2 minus 2, 0. Here 2 minus 2, 0. The difference between each numbers in this series is nothing but 0. It is same. If the difference is same, then it is an arithmetic progression. Here I have taken these 3 examples to let you know that difference can be a positive number or a negative number or 0. It can be anything. Okay, got this right? Like how will be the arithmetic progression. Okay, now we will move forward to exercise 1.1 from NCERT syllabus. Okay, in this we have the question like write first 4 terms of the AP arithmetic progression when A equal to 10 and D equal to 10. Here he has given us the value of the first term A equal to 10 and what is the common difference between the series, and our task is to write the arithmetic progression series. Okay, so we will try to solve this first question. Here what is the A value? It is 10 and difference is nothing but 10. Okay, so our series start with the first term itself, 10 comma what is the difference? Then we have to add this difference to the first term to get the second term. Okay, 10 plus 10 it will be 20. Then as you know that arithmetic progression will be having the common difference between the numbers, right? So we will add 10 to this number. It will be like 10 plus 20, 30, and 30 plus 10 it will be 40. The series goes on like this. Okay, here to verify that your arithmetic progression is correct or not, what you have to check? You have to check the difference between them. 20 minus 10 is 10, 30 minus 20 is 10, 40 minus 30 is 10. So there is a common difference between the numbers. Then it is an arithmetic progression. Okay, we will solve this second question. A is equal to 4 and D equal to minus 3. Here our first term is 4. Okay, now the common difference is like minus 3. What we have to do? We have to add this difference to this number. 4 minus 3, it will be like 1. Okay, then we have to add this number. 1 minus 3, it will be minus 2. This number how did we get? 4 difference is minus 3, it will be 1. And this how we have got? 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 2 minus 3 it is minus 5. Okay, this difference you have to just add to this first term and you will be getting the second term. For the second term you have to add this difference, then you will be getting the third term, the so on. To verify if it is correct or not, what you can do is you can just minus these numbers and check the difference between each numbers here. Like 1 minus 4 is minus 3, and minus 2 minus 1, what will be the value of minus 2 minus 1? It will be minus 3. So there is a common difference. No, this difference value we are getting when we are minusing this term with the preceding term. Okay, minus 3 we are getting. So it is an arithmetic progression. Then it will be correct. Now we will go to this third question. In third question we have A is equals to minus 2 and D equal to 0. You have seen one example before, right? Like where the difference is 0, it's also an arithmetic progression. This example I have shown you, like wherever the difference is 0, but still it is an arithmetic progression because there is a common difference between the numbers. Okay, here what will be our series? Minus 2. If difference is 0, then the same number goes on repeats. Okay, minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2. This will be our AP. Okay, then I'll solve this one more question here. A is equals to minus 1 and D is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, here comes a fraction. So how to solve this? Here our first term is minus 1. Okay, now we have what we have to do? We have to add this difference to this number. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. what it will be? 2 minus 1, it is minus 2 plus 1 by 2. It is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Our second term will be minus 1 by 2. Now to get the third term, same thing, minus 1 by 2, we have to add this term plus 1 by 2. What it will be? Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 get cancelled, it will be 0. Okay, then we have to add 1 by 2 for this 0. What it will be? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay, in this way you have to form this series. Got it, right? Now we have here one more question. A equal to minus 1.25 and D equal to minus 0.25. I want you all to solve this question and comment the answer so that I will solve this question in the next class. Okay, this is about the creating this AP series. Okay, now we will move forward to one more question here. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. In the last examples, what were we doing? We were creating the arithmetic progressions by taking first term and common difference. Here what we will be doing? They have given already the AP series for us. From this series we need to find what is the first term and what is the common difference. It will be easy. There is nothing more in this arithmetic progression. You just have to know that there will be the first term and there will be a common difference between the numbers. You should be knowing how to find the common difference and how to form the AP series and what will be the first term. Okay, so in this series, what is the first term? First term will be 3. A is equals to 3 and we have to find the difference. To find the difference, what we will do? 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Okay, D equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. D equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus of this minus 1. What it will be? Minus 3 plus 1 is nothing but minus 2. There is a common difference, right? Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 between all these numbers. So the difference is, common difference is minus 2 and the first term is A equal to 3. Okay, then the second question. Here what is the first term? It is A equal to minus 5. Okay, to find the difference, what we will do? We will take the second number minus 1 minus of the first number. First number is minus 5. Okay, minus 1 plus 5. How much it will be? Plus 4. D equal to, we will take this number 3 minus of, what is the second number? It is minus 1. 3 minus of minus 1 is nothing but 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. Okay, then 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, it will be 4. So there is a common difference. Okay, D is equals to 4. And here comes a fraction. Okay, here what is the first term? It is A equal to 1 by 3. Okay, now to find the difference, what we will do? We will take the second term, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. What will be the answer? 5 minus 1 is nothing but, there is a common denominator. It will be like 4 by 3. Okay, now 9 by 3 minus, what is this? 5 by 3. Common denominator, 9 minus 5, 4. Okay, 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3. What it will be? 13 minus 9 is nothing but 4. 4 by 3. There is a common difference. So D equal to 4 by 3. Okay, you got it, right? From the arithmetic progression series, we will be finding the first term, that will be the value of A, and to find the difference we have to minus the second number with first number, third number with second number, in the same way, like we have to minus the preceding term and get the difference value. If there is a common difference between all these numbers, then it will be a arithmetic progression. And here I have one more question, like 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9. You solve it on your own and comment down the answer so that I will solve this question in the next class. Okay, then see you there in the next class. We will be moving forward with the exercise 1.2. Thank you.